I saw a great movie about databases today. I can't wait for the sequel. Welcome back to The Index. I'm Megan with MongoDB's Developer Relations team, and here's what you might have missed over the last week. Remember that all of the links for everything I share in this video are in the description below, so all you have to do is scroll down and take a look. Developer advocate Hubert published a tutorial on how to build a Laravel and MongoDB backend service. Thank you to everyone who joined us at the America's West Virtual Mug. In the first session, Darshana and Zuhair discussed alternative methods of utilizing MongoDB Atlas beyond the UI. They spoke on powerful approaches like the MongoDB Atlas Terraform provider, CloudFormation resources, CDK, Quick Start partner solution deployments, and the Atlas Kubernetes operator. They also gave a live demo on quickly creating your first MongoDB Atlas cluster using the Atlas Terraform provider. In the next session, Vijay Tolani from Grafana Labs showed how to connect MongoDB data and other sources to a unified dashboard. He demonstrated how to visualize metrics with charts, gauges, geomaps, and more. He also showed how to receive real-time alerts and query MongoDB and MongoDB Atlas data without migration or ingestion. In the final lightning session, MongoDB community champion Roman Wright discussed race conditions. He gave a comprehensive overview of race conditions and explored strategies to mitigate them. We also met up in Thailand to talk about PyMongo on Cloud Native. Co-chair Cannon presented about PyMongo LangChain with Atlas Vector Search for AI assistance in the monitoring system. Our mug leader Pity discussed how to customize GitHub dev containers for Fast API and PyMongo and ran on GitHub Codespaces. Many thanks to all the folks who showed up for our Pune inaugural meetup. The event kicked off with a welcome from event leaders Faizan and Vishal. This was followed by a talk by Vishal to show how to use MongoDB on AWS. They gave a comprehensive overview of the topic and shared some helpful tips. The next talk was by Yogini on how MongoDB is being used at Peerless. They gave a real-world example of how MongoDB can be used to solve business problems. We wanted to give a shout-out to the folks behind the Dallas Mug who just celebrated their one-year anniversary. MongoDB developer advocate Karen Walme spoke about adding AI and machine learning to your data application. Confluence Britton LaRoche spoke about data migration practices to keep your data in sync while you move from Oracle to MongoDB. And Mug leader Alan Corday spoke about why you would move your data from a relational database to a NoSQL database. We've got even more news coming from our community. Community champion and Sao Paulo Mug leader Leandro Dominguez shared tips for upgrading your MongoDB version. Community enthusiast Justin Jenkins has started a series of posts on MongoDB arrays, including the basis, sorting, and removing elements. We're dropping a link below where you can learn more. That's all for now. Before you go, we would really appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up to tell YouTube that you enjoyed it. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell, and we'll see you next week.